Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about expressing opinions, likes, and dislikes. Hi. You must be Julie. I can tell from your picture. I'm Sophie. Finally we meet. So we're going to be roomies this semester.
Yes. I recognize you from your photo too. I'm so glad to meet you in person, and I see from your t-shirt that you like baseball. I'm a big fan too.
Well, the t-shirt was a going-away present from my brother, who's a baseball player. Look on the back, it has a photo of all the players on his team. They actually won a city championship this summer.
That's awesome. I tell you, I'm not very athletic, but I love to watch baseball, even if it's a little league game. You could say I'm a professional spectator. What about you? Do you play a sport?
Yes, I play tennis. As a matter of fact, I have a scholarship, and I'm going to play for the university. Now tell me, what else do you like to do?
Well, what I like to do best is dance. I'm studying classical ballet, but I also like to dance to popular music.
Cool. We have a lot in common. I like to dance, too. Think you'll be up for checking out the local clubs this weekend?
Oh, yeah. And the restaurants too. Speaking of which, are you hungry? I'd love to grab a bite before it gets too late. I'm starving.
Are you kidding me? I'm always up for going out. How about trying the place up the street? I'm kind of hungry for a good hamburger.
By the way, what do you think of our room?
To be honest with you, I really can't stand that dark color on the walls. It's, like, really depressing. I prefer light colors. Plus, I'd like to change the rug and the bedspreads. Do you like them?
No, I agree with you. They're horrible. With a couple of coats of paint and a few small changes, we'll make this room comfortable and cozy. Everybody will want to hang out here.
Man, I'm so relieved. I think we're really going to get along. I'm going to call my mom right now and tell her how cool my new roomie is. Improving your conversation. In Sophie and Julie's conversation, these are the expressions, or words they used. Like, love. What do you think of? Are you kidding me? Up for. Stand. Big fan. Going away present. Tell. Say. Speak. Finally. So. Actually, as a matter of fact. Even if. Plus. To be honest with you. Yeah. Man. Get along. Hang out. Grab a bite. Roomie. Scholarship. And Little League.
Like has a number of different meanings and uses. 1. What do you like? Asks what things a person finds pleasing. For example,
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Like.
do you like ice cream?
What kind of ice cream do you like?
I like chocolate. My sister likes vanilla.
Like.
Likes.
What kind of ice cream do you like? I like chocolate. My sister likes vanilla. Like. 2. What do you like to do? Asks what activities a person enjoys. For example,
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax and go out with friends.
Like to do.
I like to.
what do you like to do on weekends? I like to relax and go out with friends. Like. 3. Would you like, is a polite way of asking what someone wants. For example,
What would you like for your birthday?
I would like a big party with my friends.
Would you like?
I would like.
what would you like for your birthday? I would like a big party with my friends.
What would you like to do today?
I would like to watch some movies at the cinema.
Would you like?
I would like.
What would you like to do today? I would like to watch some movies at the cinema. Like. 4. I'm, she's, he's, etc. like, is often inserted into a conversation to emphasize what someone is currently feeling, or thinking. For example,
Why are you not talking to Matthew?
I'm like really mad at him. Like.
I'm like really mad at him.
How was the prank for Joshua?
He's like scared to death. Like.
He's like scared to death.
How was the movie?
Bad. It's like the worst movie I've ever seen. Like.
Bad. It's like the worst movie I've ever seen. Love. Love, when it refers to a person, or people, indicates deep affection. When love begins, there is often a feeling of great excitement, called being in love. For example,
Why did you do that to Joshua?
I'm sorry. I don't love him anymore.
Love.
I'm sorry. I don't love him anymore. Love. Love, when it refers to a thing, indicates a thing, or an activity that a person finds very pleasing. For example,
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I love it.
Love.
yes, I love it.
Would you like to dance?
I'd love to.
Love.
I'd love to. What do you think of? What do you think of this? Is a way of asking someone's opinion of something. For example,
What do you think of the new lesson?
It's hard, but I think it'll be easy if we study it. I like it.
What do you think of?
what do you think of the new lesson? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Is an expression that indicates that something is so true, or untrue, that it doesn't need to be said. For example,
Do you like to dance?
Are you kidding me? I'd rather dance than eat. Are you kidding me?
are you kidding me? I'd rather dance than eat.
Would you like to go shopping tomorrow?
Are you kidding me? I have to study. Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me? I have to study. Up for. To be up for something means to want to do it. For example,
Are you up for going to the movies with us?
I'm not really up for doing anything tonight. I'm too tired.
Up for.
Up for.
are you up for going to the movies with us? I'm not really up for doing anything tonight. I'm too tired.
Hey, let's stop here. In this video, we already talked about the following expressions. Like, love. What do you think of? Are you kidding me? And, up for. For the remaining expressions, please watch over the next video for the meanings and more use of these words. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.